So hi guys, I'm Chaitanya. So we are at the DMTech exhibition, and there is lots of news technologies. The companies was going to introduce like that. So we have so I'm going to show you the little bit something news technologies about the new technologies and see. So this is all the technology about the yeah, this is the new DM Techs and यहाँ पे आप देखोगे तो नंबर ऑफ कंपनीज है जो पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं एग्जीबिशन में एंड वो अपनी जो जो न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स है न्यू न्यू टेक्नोलॉजीज है वो यहाँ पे दिखाते हैं और इससे क्या होता है इनको बढ़िया से सेल्स लीड अच्छे मिलता है और उसके ऊपर अपना बिजनेस करते हैं आगे को न्यू कस्टमर मिलते हैं न्यू टेक्नोलॉजीज न्यू नॉलेज शेयर्स होता है सो दिस वन इज़ द electronic or mechatronic system India and it is one of the best manufacturing company for the measurement instrument. If you saw their products, so this is their TrackScan series scanner and this is a track head and this is a scanner. So with this scanner you can scan up to 9 to 10 meter parts without seeing the markers, and with this scanner you will get the scan data, and the scan data is going to be for the inspection purpose or drawing or CAD file generation purpose. So this one is a SIM scanner. This is a little bit compact and one handy scanner. The scanner is also you can use to scan for the small components like your impeller, closed type impeller and everything, and this is totally wireless. So this one is their one of the products, and the third one is this one is a K-Scan-X model, and if you saw this one is the scanner have two cameras, one laser emitters, and with this scanner, and if it is very interesting, this camera have one camera. You can see it will be there like scanner reading moving around somewhere, going around around on its so this scanner have like you can scan with minimum you can scan with this scanner minimum 511 parts and goes up to 15 meters like this one. So this is the one technology. This is like as a fixed bed is a fixed bed CMM. Now the guys was going to pack up is actually today is the last day and I'm very sure. So this is a 565 Emerald model. With this machine you can scan, you can measure, you can do the inspection work, and with this machine you will get accuracy up to 5 to 6 micron. So now this one where this is new height gauge. So it is updated version of the height gauge. So if you saw in old companies there is a height gauge which you have to move by manually. This is totally like motorized. You have to just motorize. You can see if you rotate bottom side it will be goes on bottom side. You don't need to do it like it is simple like that. So these are things, and this is overall display. I think now they're closing for. So this is a display, and this one is logo. So this is a new one machine. This is iSnap 3G gauge machine, and to just move the part, to just press the machine. This one is again horizontal machines which you can measure the distance of cylinder. This one is the DRO where you can use to so you can start.
This is Android based Ultima Plus 700 model, which is new generation 2D height gauge, recently launched by Electronica, which is used for measuring this type of jobs, to measure ID, OD, center distance, and all for quality control purpose.
Okay.
This is iSnap 3G model from Electronica, which which is basically worked on vision principle. So it is having camera to measure your part. Basically non-contact type measurements within fraction of second it can measure your part and gives you all 2D results.
Okay.
This is again from vision category. This is iSnap HV80 model for specifically for turn components to measure turn components in 2D.